Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good afternoon. My name is Steve. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, this video is about to all rural banks operating here in the Philippines. That includes Metro Manila, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Alam ko napakaraming rural banks dito sa Pilipinas. By the way, this video has a purpose. This coming next year, 2025, and so forth, or 2026, 2027, and so on and so forth. My advice is to avoid receivership of PDIC or maliquidate. Please monitor your assets. Of course, the capitalization. By the way, may batas po tayong sinusunod na ang pag-operate ng rural bank pag hindi umabot ng 200 million pesos or at least 262 million pataas, ay mapipilitan kayong mag-merge sa ibang rural banks para lang makasurvive in banking operation as rural bank functions. By the way, kaya ko ito nasabi because napansin ko sa past few years, itong few months sa 2024, sunod-sunod ang closure ng mga rural banks all over Philippines. Kaya my advice is, habang maaga pa, i-monitor ninyo ang assets. Kung ang assets ninyo ay bumaba ng 200 million pababa, ay dapat i-monitor nyo na habang maaga pa. Do not wait until BSP will examine you. This is not a threat. This is for your own good. Habang maaga pa, i-monitor nyo na ang assets. By the way, reminder, hindi ako manghuhula. Hindi ako si Nostradamus. I'm just an ordinary person. Ako ay isang depositor ng isang rural bank na nandito sa Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. For security reason, I will not mention the name of the bank. Kaya ko parati chinecheck kasi tinitingnan ko ang assets, okay naman. Ang capitalization, okay naman. Take note, importante ito.